If your corded telephone doesn't feature a dedicated headset socket, don't worry, you can still connect the CEH10 and use the headset as you would do with a telephone that does feature a dedicated headset socket. In order to connect it, you will require the C100 configuration box. Plug the headset in to the bottom socket, the one marked with a picture of a headset. You will have to unplug the handset cord from your telephone and plug the handset cord at the top of the configuration box to the socket marked with a picture of a handset. And we hear a click. And the RJ11 plug from the configuration box then plugs in to the handset socket on your telephone until we hear a click. In this configuration, you'll be required to lift the handset of your telephone in order to make calls and place it back on the telephone to drop the call. The button on the left of the configuration box in this configuration will allow you to switch between handset and headset while you're on a call. The mute button, of course, allows you to mute the conversations without dropping the call. In order to verify that the headset is working fine, simply lift the handset of the telephone, place the headset over your head and listen out for the dialing tone. If you can't hear the dialing tone, slide the top cover of the configuration box to uncover the two configuration switches, one with letters from A to C, one with numbers from 1 to 4. Move the one on the right to position A and the one on the left to position 1, and slowly, while the headset's activated, run through the 12 configurations available. Starting with A1, slowly run through numbers 2, 3 and 4, then switch into position B and again 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then position C, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One of those configurations will give you a very clear and considerably louder dialing tone than any other configuration, and this is likely to be the best configuration for your particular make and model of telephone. We would suggest making a test call to verify the settings. If you are experiencing problems like the person on the other side of the telephone cannot hear you or you cannot hear them, simply run through all the 12 configurations again while you are on the phone to find the perfect setting for you.